Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our advanced English vocabulary session. In this video lecture, I have three words from advanced English vocabulary. The very first word is apocalyptic, the second word is shuttling, and the third word is reckon. Apocalyptic means catastrophic, disastrous, and cataclysmic and doomsday. Like in Urdu we say तबाही बर्बादी या क़यामत बर्पा होना. Its sentence is people in Gaza are living through apocalyptic times, like they are living through catastrophic or disastrous times. The next word is shuttling. Shuttling means moving back and forth, like moving from one place to another place and then back to that place. Its synonyms are to and fro movement, commuting, which is also used in the same sense, and alternating, meaning moving from one place to another place and then back to that place. Its sentence is, she spends her day shuttling between home and the office. It means she moved from his home to office and then back to his home and then back to office. So, and the next word is reckon. Reckon means predict something, forecast something, say something about the upcoming event in advance. Its synonyms are anticipate, envisage, and forecast. And its sentence is, amidst political chaos in Pakistan, analysts reckon, analysts predict an unpredictable outcomes in the upcoming elections. Like they predict that after the elections, the result will be unpredictable and it will add to the political chaos in the country. So these were our three words for our English vocabulary. We will see you in the next lecture. Support our channel, subscribe it, like it and share it. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.